This is Scott Sullivan. I'm the Westchester Community College Director of Campus Safety and Security. The following short video is an important educational training message for all members of the WCC community.
I am here with Dean George Contreras, who's going to tell us about emergency equipment and training opportunities available to all the members of the WCC community. Go ahead, Dean. Tell them what they should know.
Hello, everyone. Cabinets like this one are all over the Valhalla campus. In fact, they are found in public areas in every building for easy access during a medical emergency. There are also cabinets found at or near the security desk at each extension center. Now that you know where they are, do you really know what's inside? Let's take a closer look. An automated external defibrillator, or AED, would be used if a person is not breathing and has no pulse. If properly trained, and after you have called for help, start CPR and follow the prompts on the AED. I strongly encourage everyone to take a course and obtain CPR, AED, and first aid certification. This is the bleeding control kit, and inside there are gloves, gauze, scissors, a marker, and a tourniquet. A tourniquet would be used if there is massive uncontrolled bleeding from a person's arms or legs. Again, if you are using a tourniquet, remember to call for help prior to doing so. Officer Flores always has his tourniquet ready. This is the Narcan response kit. It would be used if a person is experiencing an opioid overdose. Narcan is sprayed into the nostril, and it doesn't have any bad side effects. So the rule is, when in doubt, go ahead and administer the Narcan. This will only work on an opioid overdose. So that any member of the WCC community can potentially help save a life by using a tourniquet or Narcan, I am personally offering a 1-hour workshop to review how to use the bleeding control kit and the Narcan response kit that are found in the cabinets. I encourage you to call 914-606-6910 to reserve a seat at the next available workshop. Thank you.
Thank you for your time and attention, and never hesitate to contact a member of the WCC security team to provide you with assistance.